So I thought I'd show you guys an absolute lovely dish for this time of year going into early fall. It's easy and it's easy cleanup because it's made in one pot. I'm gonna parboil some small potatoes and then we're gonna halve them and brown them in the same pan that we're browning chicken in. Now you can make this even quicker with boneless, skinless chicken breasts and boneless, skinless chicken thighs. I like the flavor of bone-in, skin-on chicken, but it's very versatile. You can use either. I've been browning and crisping up the skin. We're gonna give it a flip. Brown up the other side while we're getting the rest of our ingredients together. And we're gonna make a honey mustard sauce that we're gonna finish cooking the chicken in. To go along with our potatoes, we're going to add some green beans at the very end. You can use any vegetable you like. You could add broccoli or cauliflower florets. So I'm gonna get the chicken out of the pan and get our potatoes browned. When we come back, we'll build the sauce together right after this. So guys, to the same pan that we browned the chicken in and our potatoes, I've just added, now we browned the chicken with a little olive oil and our potatoes. See, we cut side down until they start to get nice and brown. Then I threw some butter into the pan and we're gonna build our sauce. I'm gonna add some fresh garlic to our melted butter and lots of finely chopped rosemary. And then to that, a little black pepper. Give it a stir. Now you could add a splash of white wine or you could add a splash of vinegar. We want some acidity in our sauce for balance. So I've got some white wine vinegar here, or cider vinegar will be delicious. Grainy and regular Dijon. A couple tablespoons of each. Dr. Oz's honey. 2 turns of the pan of that. So simple. Whisk all this together. Now we're going to put our chicken back in and our potatoes and cover the dish for about 20 minutes. Then we're going to tuck in our green beans and leave it uncovered the last couple of minutes. I'm going to throw this guy in the oven. I'll meet you right back here in a couple. Look how pretty that is when you bring it to the table. Isn't that great? I know. So yummy. So, grab our chicken, grab your taters and your beans.